You walk into a tire shop and the salesperson pushes you toward the expensive brands. The truth is, several budget tire brands offer real quality at half the price of premium tires. These brands lack the marketing dollars but deliver excellent performance. Here are 7 cheap tire brands most drivers overlook and exactly what makes each one a hidden goldmine. Cooper Tires. It is one of the oldest American tire brands. Its job in the market is to offer premium engineering at affordable prices. The brand has produced quality tires since 1914 and now operates under the Goodyear umbrella. Cooper tires consistently score well in independent ratings for tread life, wet grip, and ride comfort. Drivers can save $50 per tire compared to premium brands. How to buy them right? Look at the Cooper Discoverer line for trucks and SUVs or the Cooper CS5 for cars. Read recent professional reviews before purchase. Check the UTQG rating printed on the sidewall for tread wear, traction, and temperature grade. Expect to pay between $80 and $150 per tire, depending on size. Most installers carry Cooper at standard installation rates. General Tire. It is owned by Continental, one of the largest tire manufacturers in the world. Its job is to provide Continental engineering at a lower price point. The brand uses similar rubber compounds and tread designs as its parent company. General Tires perform especially well in winter and wet conditions. Drivers often save $60 to $90 per tire compared to Continental. How to buy them right? Look at the General Altimax RT43 for sedans, or the Grabber line for trucks. The Altimax has won several independent tire tests against more expensive competitors. Verify the manufacturing date code on the sidewall. Avoid any tire older than 2 years from the production date. Expect prices between $70 and $140 per tire installed. Hankook. It is a Korean brand that supplies original equipment tires to major automakers. Its job in the market is to deliver quality tires at lower prices than Japanese or European competitors. Hankook tires equip many new cars from the factory because automakers trust the quality. Aftermarket Hankook tires use the same compounds and designs as the OEM versions sold to manufacturers. How to buy them right? Look at the Hankook Ventus V12 for performance cars and the Kinergy line for sedans. Hankook tires often appear in independent tire test comparisons among the top 5 performers. Check tire warranty terms before buying. Most Hankook tires include a mileage warranty between 40 and 70,000 miles. Expect prices between $70 and $120 per tire. Kumho Tire. It is another Korean tire maker with a strong reputation for quality. Its job is to compete on price while matching the performance of more expensive brands. The brand has invested heavily in research and development over the past decade. Kumho tires now match Hankook in independent quality tests. Drivers typically save $40 to $70 per tire compared to mid-tier premium brands. How to buy them right? Look at the Kumho Solus TA31 for sedans or the Krugen HP71 for SUVs. Read independent tire test reports rather than online customer reviews alone. Tire shops sometimes recommend against budget brands because they make less commission. Insist on the brand you researched. Expect prices between $65 and $130 per tire installed. Falcon. It is a Japanese tire brand owned by Sumitomo Rubber Industries. Its job is to offer Japanese engineering quality at lower prices than Bridgestone or Yokohama. The brand was originally developed for racing applications and brought that performance to street tires. Falcon tires perform especially well in dry handling and tread life. Many enthusiasts use Falcon on track-driven cars. How to buy them right? Look at the Falcon Sincera SN250 for daily driving, or the Azenis for performance cars. The Wild Peak line covers trucks and SUVs and consistently wins comparison tests against more expensive all-terrain tires. Confirm the load rating matches or exceeds your factory specification. Expect prices between $70 and $150 per tire, including installation. Sumitomo Tier. It is the same parent company behind Falcon, but sells under its own name with different tire models. Its job is to provide a no-frills budget tire with proven Japanese quality. The brand keeps marketing costs low and passes the savings to buyers. Sumitomo tires consistently outperform their price point in tread life and wet braking tests against more expensive brands. How to buy them right. Look at the Sumitomo HTR ASPO2 for sedans and crossovers. The tread wear rating is usually higher than competitors at the same price. Verify the speed rating matches your vehicle requirement. Many smaller tire shops do not carry Sumitomo directly but can order it on request. Expect prices between $55 and $110 per tire installed. Nexen Tire. It is a Korean brand specifically designed for budget-conscious buyers. Its job is to deliver acceptable quality at the lowest prices in the market. The brand sells well in price-sensitive regions and has improved quality significantly in recent years. Nexen tires offer solid value for second cars, daily commuters, or older vehicles where premium tires would be overkill. How to buy them right. Look at the Nexen area, AH7 for sedans, or the Rodian line for trucks. Read recent tire test reviews from independent sources to verify current quality. Older Nexen reviews may not reflect current product improvements. Confirm the warranty terms with the seller. Expect prices between $45 and $90 per tire installed, depending on size and tire type.